Question 41. Always keep an eye on the number. This is a plan of the garden which we want to put turf on. 8 metres by 6 metres, 2 metres by 1.5. I assume that bit's the 1.5. How many square metres of turf do we need to order? Right, let's have a look. Let's get our writing pen. I'm going to make this a big rectangle like that, and then I'm going to find out what that is and take it away. So 8 times 6. Here we are. Supposing you've got a piece of chocolate like that. It is 3 lots of 3. So that's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And so 3 times 3 is 9. 3, 6, 9. Happy? You know the principle. If it gives you trouble, you need to buy a big piece of chocolate. And then every day you work out the area and the perimeter. And you can just do that by counting the squares. Eventually you'll notice that you can multiply them, but it doesn't matter. And then every member of the family gets a piece of chocolate, because then they'll encourage you to do more work. Then next day you work out the area and the perimeter, and then everybody gets a piece of chocolate, and you can keep that going until the 11 plus. Just saying, there are worse ways of doing maths. So the area of this whole thing is 8 times 6. So that's 8 times 6 is 48. Now I've written that down because I know I tend to make silly mistakes on that particular one. So that will make it easier for me to check. And then this bit. So that's 1.5 there. So that's 1.5 times. Now how much is this bit here? Well, that's going to be 6. Take away this 2. There it says 2. So that's going to be 4. 1.5 times 4 equals 1.5 and 1.5 is 3. And another 1.5 and another 1.5 is 3. 3 and 3 is 6. So that is 6. I'm going to write this underneath. 6. What have I done there? Oh, that was the times 4, wasn't it? Don't worry, we all make mistakes like that. Equals 6. Now we're going to take it away. Make sure you don't do a silly and add it up, which is what was in my heart to do. So 42 meters square meters. Happy? Good. See you soon.